All right, so here's how you would shrink this down. So all we're going to do is just squish this. I'm going to grab the object like that. Then all we have to do is just hit hotkeys S for scale and then Z for the Z axis. And it's just going to scale along the Z axis. And you bring it up and down, and we can kind of squeeze it to where we want it. I think that's good there. And we'll do another test print, but I'm going to go remember to export. You can export as a STL and save it onto your desktop. And then we're going to go into Chi2 box. I'm sorry, that's Kira. Chi2 box is over here. And we'll just start as a new project here. Save current project, no. Sorry. Grab file, and we'll go to the desktop where we saved it. So it's saved right there. Let's scale to fit, and there it is. It may look a little funky just because of the mesh and all that kind of stuff. Let's go back to home. But the way we can test it is we can slice it. If it doesn't lay flat like it's not here, we're gonna have to manually move it. So again, we just go to move, grab the Z-axis, lower it down until so a little bit of it is red, so we know it's actually touching. If it's not red, then it might be printing the first layer in space, which you'll just have a failed print. Nothing will come up when you actually get done with your print. I think the last thing we'll do is see if we can fit 2 of these on there. Duplicate. There's a copy there. Boom. All right. Make sure everything's on the build plate. Let's move this up just a hair so it's not in that other space there. They're all flat. They're all good. Go ahead and slice. Just double check everything. Looks good. Just remember your parameters down here. The exposure time is 80 for the first layer, and then each consecutive layer is 8 seconds. So let's just go ahead and save it. So if you're ever confused which file is actually going to print, it's going to be the Chi2 box CB DDLP. Don't know what that means, but I know the CB's for Chi2 box. So go ahead and save that onto a external drive, like the thumb drive that we had in the back of the printer. Drop it in there, and then you can print that file. It should show up that little thumbnail. Again, whatever you leave it as, so this is going to be the thumbnail. It'll show up like that on the actual printer. So you should be set, man.